So if there's somebody like that, give way to them, yeah?
Sure.
Okay?
Yeah, that's about it. Thank you.
Right. Tell them your name, sir.
Hi, I'm Udara.
Modara.
Yep.
Tell them about your driving history.
Well, back in my home country, I've had about 12 years of experience. But here I've done about 3 mock tests with you.
He's done 3 lessons and he had a driving test. Tell him what happened.
Oh, that was horrible.
Tell him what the examiner was like.
Well, okay.
Tell the truth. You said he was hostile, didn't you? I know the examiner. He's normally a real cool guy, actually. He had 1 test with no driving lessons and he failed for
Undue hesitation
and
use of
speed, going through the 20s. I came knocking on my door. I had looked at his driving and he's really good standard. I don't know how he's failed. If he'd had a couple of lessons, he would have passed easy. Yeah? Right, have any questions before we go, sir?
No, that's
go on and fire away. We'll make a prediction when we get there, yeah?
Sure.
So no delivering pizzas this last weekend?
No.
Go on then, let's see a parallel park on this car.
Sure.
It's on a steep hill.
Right.
If it's good, I'll leave it in on video, yeah?
Sure.
When you're ready. Make you look good, sir. You can cancel it, take a noise if you want. Just stop there. That's it. If you're going to shun forwards, look all around, yeah?
Alright.
Look all around before you shun forwards.
Sure.
Yeah, it's fine. If you hit the curb, what do you do?
Correct it. Shunt it forwards.
If anybody comes near the car,
oh, you have to stop.
Good, go on and off you go. Yeah, it's really good. Make sure you put a signal on if you've got cars behind you. Yeah, it's really good technique, sir. Well done. Really good.
Thank you.
Well done, sir. Turn left. Very professional. Good observations. Good speed. Next left. Yeah, I would have gone there, yeah. There's a massive gap, isn't it?
Yeah. Exam nerves. Exam nerves.
You've got nothing to be nervous about. You can drive, can you?
Let's see after today. That's what I thought the first time.
Next right, where the red post box is.
Sure.
Not like your one-handed method going around the jump.
Sure.
The wax on, wax off method. Just pull it on the left for us here,
Sure.
between the cars. He'd be spitting feathers when he sees this, look. The experts will tell you that you have less control when you've only got one hand on the wheel.
Yeah.
That'll do. Right. We're going to do right. We got it?
All right. Okay.
Now, if you can't pull off, just wait. I'm going to just go stop. Any questions?
No.
Right, I'm just going to watch your footwork, okay?
Sure.
Right, when you're ready. That's the blind spot check. That was better, yeah? Right, now concentrate, yeah? Stop.
That's bad.
What? Put your handbrake on. Drive on when you're ready.
What just happened? Did it like?
It's skidded. You put the clutch down far too early.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah, we both blind spots. That's it. So I want you to put the brake down at the last second. Have you got that? Here, the clutch down at the last second.
Sure. Okay.
You put it down far too early, just skidded. Don't stamp it down, yeah?
Okay. I think that was a bit too harsh.
Yeah, just push it down firm. Take the second row to the right, that's your first one.
Sure.
And then right. And then reverses in between them cars, sir. Yeah?
Sure.
That's it. It's 4 exams. That'll do it for me, sir. Right. Right, have you got your license?
Right here.
Where's your license? Take it with you.
Do I need to take the theory test and the insurance and all that paperwork as well?
No, it's your driver's license.
Okay.
Well, I'm forgetting your name again. Udara'S. That's it. What a cool name. He's drove really well. There's only one minor fault. What was that for?
Was it the emergency stop?
Well, that was a serious fault, that.
Oh.
What was the minor fault?
I don't recall.
Undue hesitation.
Oh, right, yeah.
At the side of the road,
Side of
yeah?
the road, yeah.
Put your ignition back on. We done him. You know, you need to start the car. Just turn the car off. Just turn that. That's it. He done the emergency stop. That was the only serious fault it was, wasn't it?
Yep.
What happened?
Well, exam nerves.
He should pass with no more than 2 faults. He could go for he could go for a clean sheet this one if he's got his brain working. Go on then, how many faults you gonna do? Prediction time, go on.
I'd say 3.
3?
Yep.
I'm gonna go for 2, yeah?
Right.
2. No more than 2. I'm just gonna stick that in there.
Sure.
Just because I'm recording. Right. Any final words before you go and walk the plank?
Nope, all good.
It's nerve-wracking, isn't it?
Yep.
You be cool, man. You should be fine.
Sure. Thanks for the vote of confidence.
Right. Now check all your tires, you. Well, we're back off test. Tell them what you've done.
I passed.
How many faults?
4 faults. 4 minors, yeah.
4 minors. Tell them what they were for.
I stole the car for some reason.
I've never expected him to steal a car. What else?
Well, one was for control, I guess.
Slow, you're driving a bit slow approaching the bend.
Yeah.
You're a bit slow. And what was the other two?
I have no idea.
You're getting too close to parked cars.
Oh,
Can you
right,
remember?
yeah.
Something that I've never seen you do.
Yeah.
Tell them what the examiner was like.
Really nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Top bloke, isn't he?
Yep.
Told you, didn't
Yep. What's his name then?
he? Joe.
Joe. Right.
Yeah. Did he talk to you much?
Just here and then, yeah.
Yeah. Right, go on then, off you go. Let's go home. Well done.
Thank you. All thanks to Ken here.
Not thanks to me. I never drove. You drove. Can't believe you stalled.
Yeah.
Dear me. Did you do the emergency stop?
Nope.
Did you?
Can I do a U-turn here? Is that
Yeah,
alright?
just tell them.
Okay.
Well, have you not text your wife like?
No, my phone was off. The pressure was on.
So if I send you the link, yeah,
Sure.
you do as a.
Alright. And if I have any Sri Lankan friends, I'll send them your way?
if they drive like you say, yes.
Alright, okay.
Yeah.
So you're not good with beginners?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't mind beginners as well, yeah?
No, no.
Alright, okay.
Normally when they've been driving for years, they have loads of bad habits. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd teach anything.
Yeah, it would be easier to start from the scratch, yeah? Here?
Yeah. Right, sir.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
I've just sent you the cash. So.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
Well,
sir.
it's been a pleasure.
Yes, likewise.
You drive safely, yeah?
Sure, yeah.
Don't get any penalty points.
Right.
Have you got that link on your phone there I sent you?
Yeah.
Will you do that today?
Yeah,
Because tomorrow you won't even remember.